How to verify Cash App Card for Samsung Pay. To add and verify your Cash App Card with Samsung Pay, follow these steps. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your compatible Samsung device. Add a payment card. Tap on Add Payment Card or the plus icon. Enter Cash App Card details. Manually input your Cash App Card information. 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV, 3-digit security code. Name as it appears on the card. Verify the card. Samsung Pay will attempt to verify your card. This may involve sending a verification code to the email or phone number associated with your Cash App account. Enter this code when prompted. Confirmation. Upon successful verification, your Cash App Card will be linked to Samsung Pay, allowing you to make payments using your device. Please note that while some users have reported success in adding their Cash App Cards to Samsung Pay, compatibility may vary. If you encounter issues, consider using alternative payment methods supported by Samsung Pay. That's it. Thanks for watching.